You can make your first $500 in 7 days if you follow this system that I'm going to teach you in this video. You can get your first $500 just like I did a couple of years ago by getting just one client. One client is all you need. If you're in the health and wellness space, maybe you run a health and wellness business, or you have a particular skill or a gift that you can help others with, or you have a particular knowledge that other people don't have, or you have an agency but you've not gotten clients yet, you can make your first $500 within the next 7 days by just getting one client. That's just it, one client. Not two, not three, one. And you can get that client on social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, X, or any other platform out there. But you need to use my system. You need to use the prophetic codes. You need to use this spiritual gift of prophecy to get that client. Why? Because you need to have the offer. You need to use the spiritual gift of prophecy to craft the offer. Then you need to use the spiritual gifts of prophecy to know who the client is and to find this client. You need to also know how you are going to create content, or maybe how you are going to message these clients that they are going to buy from you. Those are the things you need to do. So just imagine in your mind right now, you need just one action to take you from where you are right now to $500 within the next 7 days. One action. There is somebody right now at the other side of the world, somewhere, maybe in USA, Canada, Europe, Australia. One person at the other side of the world that is going to pay you $500 if you meet them today. That person exists, but you cannot know the person unless if you use the prophetic codes to find the person. My first $500 client was in 2019, and I was broke. I didn't have any money, and I used the prophetic code to find the exact Facebook group of the person, where the person is, and the exact post I should write. And I got that client, and the client paid me $500. I went from making $3 a month or so to $500. So it's possible. So I'm going to teach you how you can do it. So first, you need to develop your spiritual gift of prophecy. Accumulate energy into your chakras. Open your third eye of visualization. And also, you might need to learn how to communicate with angels. It's not really necessary. I can do it. You might not need to do it. With the first time I did it, I used visions though. So you just need to learn how to see visions and ask the right questions. Where is my $500 client now? If you don't receive an answer, what platform is this client on? If I want to get a $500 client within the next 7 days, which platform should I focus on? The answer, YouTube, for some of you. The answer, TikTok. The answer, Instagram. The answer, Facebook. You go there. Where is this client? Oh, the client is the friend of someone on Facebook. Who is that person? Where can I find them? Is the person following Prophet Hubert Angel? Is the person a follower of Prophet Hubert Angel? Which country is the person from? You ask those questions and you begin to get answers. And before you know it, you sell the package and you ask the Holy Spirit, is this package going to be for 3 months? Or is this package just going to be a one-on-one session? But I'm telling you, you just need one client. The client is somewhere. If you get my course on how to prophesy accurately, you'll be able to do this. But if you want me to do it for you, fine. But the only issue is I don't think you can get me to do it for you, because for you not to have, for you not to be able to get $500 clients, that means you don't really know how to get clients. So you most likely might not have money, but you might have savings. So if you have savings and you pay me, of course I'm going to do it for you. I'll not teach you how to get just a $500 client. I'll teach you how to get multiple $500 clients, plenty. So this is how it works. So if you have any questions, comment below. I'll help you. This is the video I said I should make for you today. God bless you.